Hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today, I want you to help me decorate my living room space for fall. But before we start, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Now, as you can see, I am removing all of my summer decor, getting ready to put up this beautiful fall decor. I hate to see my red go because, guys, you know, if you've been following me, you know red is my favorite color, and I love having those pops of red in this space. But I know I'm gonna love what I have to put out. So I just want you to go along with me while I add those few touches in this space. I'm removing all the red and the coastal decor. So now that I have a clean slate, I'm getting ready to hang these beautiful window panels that I ordered from Amazon. I'm so excited about these. They are in a white and like a navy blue color. The navy blue has a velvet feel on the bottom. It is just gorgeous. Now I'm doing the happy dance here because I'm loving these. Now I'm going to remove these items off of my entry console here. And I'm going to give it a little wipe down, a little cleaning. And I'm going to place some family pictures on this console. Now my grandson, he loves to see these pictures or any family pictures in our home. So I wanted to definitely place these here. So every time he goes by this area, he can see his family. Now I'm moving to my coffee table. I'm going to remove these items here. Some may return. But before I place decor on the coffee table, I'm going to give this a little cleaning as well. I'm going to place this copper trinket box, I guess you would say, here that I picked up from Burlington. I love that it has that bling on it. That's what drew me to it. And then I'm going to add this candle holder that Christy C purchased for me while she was here. We were out shopping and I had some items in my hand and she she bought them for me. How sweet of her. And I'm going to add these copper or rose gold photos that I picked up from the Dollar Tree to this candle holder. Now I'm bringing these vases back. I'm not sure whether they will stay. I'm playing around with these items on this coffee table. And I purchased these blue flowers from Amazon. And they say they are navy, but when light hits them, they appear purple. So I'm going to play around with these flowers. Don't know if they will stay or go on this coffee table or not. That's why I'm standing there looking at them. I'm like, don't know. Of course, I have to add a pumpkin, right? So I'm going to add my bling pumpkin to it. And just start moving things around, shuffling things around to see how I like the styling. Then I decided to move one of the vases, so you're gonna have to come back for the home tour to see the finished product. So I'm gonna leave that coffee table alone, and I'm gonna start on my sofa. Now I use my pillows for my pillow covers, guys. And I had these blue and gold pillows inside of my coastal covers. So I'm going to use those. I had never used these. I purchased them from Hobby Lobby at a 90% off sale after Christmas. So I paid a little or nothing for those pillows. And I'm adding that Blessed pillow in the middle that I recently hauled from Hobby Lobby. I picked up this navy throw from Aldi, can you believe it? For just $7.99. You can't beat that. And it's fairly large, guys. And I'm adding another Blessed pillow to this chair. So guys, come back for a fall mantle decorate with me. You'll see what I do with this mantle. But that should do it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and gained some inspiration from it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day and be safe. I'll talk to you real soon.